Hey everyone, Greg here. Within SEMRush, if you want to figure out what sites are linking out to you that are past an SEO value, you can go to Backlink Analytics, click on Backlinks, and now from here, I want to look at just follow, which means that they're past an SEO juice, and then you want to click on New because you want to see what new sites are passing that value back to your website. So right here, I'm going to scroll down to find an example, and I'm going to look at this site right here. So oldest MLB stadiums. So I'm going to bring this other tab over here. And this is where they're linking out. So here's my image. If you click on it, you're going to go right to my website. So when I look at this from a high level, so this person links out to 3 of my images, which is important to note because when you're writing content or you're incorporating pictures or video or infographic or a table or some sort of statistic, this is what's going to generate people to link out to your content. If I just write a piece of content around Fenway Park, it's not that interesting. But if I'm able to talk about something about either my experience or share some stats or take my own photos, etc., that's where people are going to naturally link out to your website. And real quick, to make this point at a larger scale, my site is 2 years old, and if I go to my all-time view, you should see something like this, where if you're writing a lot of content and you're answering questions that people are actively searching for, and you're creating again, pictures, infographics, tables, statistics, videos, etc. That's actually what's going to drive people to link out to your website. So if you see something like this, this is like a natural view within Google and Bing because they can see that my site is 2 years old and it's been growing at a natural pace where I'm able to get more links over time just because I keep adding more content to my website, and then people find it and then they link back out. So real easy to find this information just under backlinks, and you'll find the follow and no follow links that are pointing back to any website.